freaking glow. Look at your boy. Look at your boy. Look how freaking animated. I look like a freaking cartoon. I got the glow. That's God glow, yo. That's God glow. That's God glow. That's God glow, yo. I got the freaking glow. You can't take my glow away from me. I got the glow. So you have to love yourself. You have to develop yourself. You paint, you need to be painting. If you write, you need to be writing. If you play an instrument, then you need to be working on your craft. You know, you can't fake it till you make it. You fake it till you make it. Then what if you fake it until you make it? And then so what happens if you run into someone like me, the real freaking deal? You'll get exposed. I look so oh my God, I look so fake. Look at your boy, man. Look at your boy. Yo, self-love. Kiss myself today, yo. Look at your boy. Look at your boy. Your boy freaking glowing, boy. Yo. Make sure I look immaculate. Look at your boy. Look at your freaking boy. Your boy freaking glowing. I'm freaking glowing, yo. I got the glow. I got